Hello, Niagara-on-the-Lake. Betty Disero here. I want to start off by congratulating and thanking all the citizens of Niagara-on-the-Lake for being very vigilant and working together to keep our numbers in Niagara-on-the-Lake as low as we possibly can. With the province hitting record high in terms of the number of new infections every day, and the region actually hitting some record highs, although they stay still in low double digits, we need to look at what else we can do to ensure we protect our community. We did get an email and a text from Dr. Andrea Feller over the weekend and in the last couple of days or so, and she suggested 4 new things we could try to do to stay strong in our effort to maintain low numbers in Niagara. The first one is every day, if you have even the mildest of symptoms, isolate immediately and ensure you start the process to get tested. Number 2, make sure workplaces do active symptom screening. So make sure that wherever you're working, that in fact people are checking up on employees every day to make sure that they are healthy and that they do not feel any symptoms with respect to COVID-19. Number 3, don't go into crowds. Stay 2 meters away from anyone that you don't live with. And please, when you can't stay 2 meters away, or even now for double protection, wear a mask whenever you leave the house to ensure that you're protecting yourself and others around you. There's been some research come out that's being discussed in many media stations on television that they're learning that the masks also help people protect themselves now, not just others around them. So if you can, wherever you go, wear a mask. I want to make 2 other suggestions to you to think about. That if someone in your household has even the mildest of symptoms, make sure they're isolating away from the rest of the family, and make sure that you are wiping down countertops and high-touch areas, and make sure that there's containers of sanitizer throughout the house so people can practice good hand hygiene when they can. And also the other suggestion that I have for you is again similar to that came out from the medical officer of health's office. Please wear a mask wherever you can, because you never know when you might bump into your friends. I know I was walking the dog on the weekend with my mom, and we were outside, we were keeping a distance from each other, and you'd be surprised how many people we bumped into that we knew. And we didn't have our masks, so it was very awkward not to be able to stop and talk to people that you know that want to talk. So please wear a mask wherever you go now, or have one in your pocket in case you run into anybody, or just even to stop and talk for a minute or 2. Put your mask on. So that's the message for today. But again, I want to reassure you that our numbers are staying down. We've been at 6 or 7 active cases over the last week or so. Yesterday we had no new cases. I'm going to check at 12:30 today to make sure that we're still at no new cases. And but we must stay vigilant. So thank you so much for everything that you do, and everyone working together. But remember, we're not through this yet. We're just into the second wave now, and we need to get over this, and we can do it if we work together. Thank you.